Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another press on haul collection. This brand is from Kacey's Nails, located in Nassau, Bahamas. She's a nail tech who started selling press-ons, and I purchased these for $30. So yes, let's take a look. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest. This is her packaging, super cool. She also gave me a free cuticle oil. Can't wait to try this. And the little sticky thing with his put, like the pop thing, whatever it is, put on the phone. I don't really use these, but hey, it's cool. I like the palette. I like what she did. But oh my god, these are cute. Now they're not as glam as my first set of press-on nails, but these are cute. These are cute. For days like I want to do too much, like I'm going to work, but I want to do too much, but I want to do much, like stand on these hoes at work. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. But these are cute. They're coffins. I got the long coffin. Super cute. Love the packaging. So yes, I think her customer service was excellent, I must say. Like, it was an issue at first because the first set she gave me, it did not fit, and I contacted her and she responded right away and fixed the issue and delivered to me in the next hour, and that was amazing. Her customer service skills is awesome. It's awesome. So I don't think anyone would have a problem with her customer service because she's awesome. For a young lady, she's awesome with customer service. So yes, I like these. I can't wait to wear these. Like, rock these. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And see y'all again until my next video, cupcakes. Bye.